What's up, everybody? Right back with another video. Right out that last one, as you can see, everything's still in here. This is the night route. I'm gonna keep posting these with the other one, so I don't know. I might just run all these at once. So you guys will see. About to get it in. Stay tuned. Watch the full video. Don't skip no ads or don't skip anything. Make sure you get that like, share, subscribe button. Share it with your family and friends. Please and thank you. If you want to show support, we don't ask for no money. We don't ask for anything. Just want you to watch the videos. The whole video. You might as well. You never know what you're gonna miss. It does get crazy. Gotta walk up right here. No. Oh. I keep telling them, load the back first. If you load the back first, then you don't gotta throw over top everything. Always load the back first, and then you ain't gotta worry about it. You can just dump right here. You ain't gotta go over top everything. It's not so hard. Oh no! No! Yes. Fucking oh. Hopefully I get this whole route in for you guys before it turns nighttime, but I don't know, guys. It might not happen. Shoot. Let's get it going. You all right over there?
Sure. I don't know what happened to me yesterday.
Ready to go. Hey, yo! Hold on, don't even throw it in yet. Do. 444 FM on your dial. Bash. Messing with the interlocks, guys. my side. Alright, I ain't trying to be mean, but yeah, I don't like that. Stay on your side. Get it done. Got two of you over there. I don't need your help over here. Not to be mean, I'm just saying. You guys just went in the hopper. Straight in the hopper. Good. There was some stuff in there. I knocked you guys straight in there. I hit it. I knocked it straight in there. You think it fell in a bag? It's alright.
It's wet.
Huh?
It's wet.
It ain't wet. Huh? Oh, it's alright. It's on the backside. Huh?
Any new scratches?
Nah, it's alright. It's a Motorola G. These things are so durable, dude. So durable. I got it. Right there. Alright. Alright. I told him numerous times to keep this thing rolling, bro. We got it. Alright. So all you gotta do is keep it slow roll. We got it.
Better than ain't even 7:30 yet.
Alright, we got this. You already know we're gonna knock it out. Just gotta keep this hopper empty.
I think we're past halfway. We're at halfway.
Eh, almost. Get about right. Get about right over there down that street. Yeah, about 50. I'll grab one. You got the second one. Ready?
Hit it with a spin move. Don't need to knock wheels off. We'll be in more trouble chasing us down the street. Where are my wheels? You need to replace those.
Right. Oh, now it's over here. All right, guys, good do for this one. See you next one.